Sir, you're welcome.
Excellency, my dear brother, Deputy Governor, representing the other brother of mine, the Royal Majesty, I know I have met and greeted you, but again I pay my respects and loyalty to you and all the leadership and the people of Ibi. I pay my respects. I'm here for a visit of sympathy and appreciation with what is happening and what happened to the people. I'm here also, the reason why I decided I have to come personally is I've been doing a tour of various states. I told you that I'm going to only see one side. As part of advocacy to call on the federal government of Nigeria to declare a state of emergency on all the affected areas and be able to intervene, because this is what the states cannot cope with. That's what they say. Federal government does, the federating unit. I'm also calling on them to say the high manpower team to go around and evaluate it themselves. It should not be left for local government and the state government. And I know what you'll be going through, Your Royal Highness. Because when they said people are accommodated in their various homes, Your Royal Highness, I know you're accommodating more, because they will be looking at you. When I was coming, I was telling the Deputy Governor, I said, when I said, where is the handicap? He told me this story. I said, then, I can assure you, Your Royal Highness is carrying on the weight, because he will not be looking at his children go hungry, but people around him go hungry. So, I thank you for what you do. And I assure you that is why we're here to evaluate and call on well-meaningful, well-to-do citizens of Nigeria, as well as all donor agencies, to please come and support the various areas that are affected. Thank you for what you're doing. Our commitment is to have a better Nigeria. Taraba State is one of the states I've always said that we must turn around. It is said with 54,000 fertile lands. And I believe Taraba State, one of those states we need to celebrate. Taraba State is bigger than Israel and Belgium put together. Belgium is 31,000 square kilometers and Israel is 22. They are 53. Taraba is 54. It's one of those things that I believe that we will use to showcase that the oil that is in Nigeria is all cultivated land in the north. And we will profit. It's very easy. It's doable. We want to cultivate it because we want to pull all the young men and women out of poverty and reduce criminality and banditry by ensuring that they have a means of livelihood. And that's what we're doing. That's what we intend to do. So we thank you for the opportunity and of coming here, thank the state government for what you're doing, for you coming all the way to receive me now. I thank you. I apologize, I'll be hurrying because I have 3 more steps to go. And thank you. I thank all the people for this. Just know that I'm with you. You will not be alone. I'll be doing my own support to make sure that we ameliorate the suffering of the people. Thank you and God bless you.